So this is always our end point, our turning point actually. It is always 5 kilometers from home. I make sure that I reach this point, then I'm sure that I can make 9.5 kilometers to 10. So I repeat it, whatever you're doing, the data analysis, the program management, the Excels we deal with in those comfortable chairs, always make it a point to leave that chair, go and stretch, sweat, enjoy. So life is precious. And don't forget to hit all those buttons we find on Subtech Online accounts, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. Do that. And we also do corporate engagement. That is like in one-on-one corporate engagements on data analysis. We teach you what to do. Even though you have masters, degrees, certifications in accounting, you'll always find something new with Subtech Online. So guys, I hit the road again for the second half. Bye bye. Peace.